Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create this beautiful pricing vectors or graphics in just PowerPoint. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Just click on insert option over here. You will find a new slide option, just click on that. Here you will find a blank option in the bottom, just click on this option to add a blank slide over here. Now we'll start creating the shape here. So let me zoom out so that you can see the whole graphics. In the left side, left top, you can see I have collected some color sample over here which I will use in this project. So first I will start creating this topmost hexagon. So to do that, what I'm going to do, click on insert option. Here you will find the shape option, just click on that, and here you will find a isosceles triangle option, just click on that, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag a isosceles like this. Now make it no outline. Now slightly I'm going to zoom in so that I can see the whole shape over here. Now what I'm going to do, after this I will duplicate by pressing Ctrl T and duplicate this shape and flip it vertically. So to do that I'm going to click on rotate option, and here you will find a flip vertical option, and I will put it over here. Now again I'm going to duplicate the first shape by pressing Ctrl D on keyboard and put it over here like this. Now what I'm going to do, I will select all these shapes, and here you will find the merge shape option, just click on that and say union. Okay, now again I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape one more time, and I will flip it vertically like this. Now put it over here, and again I'm going to select all these shapes and make it union like this. So basically I was creating a hexagon. We have also an option of putting hexagon directly from the shape option, like here you will find the hexagon option, but it will not give you a regular hexagon, it will give you irregular hexagon. So that not suit for this infographics guys, that's why I'm making this with the isosceles triangle. Got it? Now what I'm going to do, I will rotate it 90 degree. So what I'm going to do, I will click on home option over here, and here you will find arrange option, just click on that. Under rotate option you will find rotate 90 degree, just click on that. Okay guys, so now press Ctrl Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller guys. Just zoom out from here like this and press Ctrl D to duplicate this shape one more time and keep it separately like something here. Now I'm going to zoom in, and first of all what I'm going to do, I will create this shape over here. As you can see, this blue shape over here. So this blue shape is also created by hexagon. So let me show you how. Just click on this particular shape, and slightly I'm going to zoom in so that you can see this. Right click over here, here you will find the edit point option, just click on that and drag this point like this vertically downward, and make sure that it will just below this previous black dot. Okay guys, put it over here, make sure that this line should be straight and this should also a straight line over here. So this is the shape you have to create guys. Okay, now zoom out, and what I'm going to do, I will press Ctrl Shift together and drag it outward to make it bigger, something this much. Okay guys, so now I'm going to copy this color sample and put it over here by pressing Ctrl V on keyboard, and I will fill this shape with the blue color. So I'm going to choose shape fill option. Here you will find the eyedropper option, just click on that and choose this color. Okay, and make it no outline guys. Now for this what I'm going to do, I will choose an outline, like I'm going to choose a outline and also set a width of that outline to this much. Okay guys, press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller. Put it over here guys. Let me take a reference of the previous slide, like we have to put it like this. Okay, so now what you have to do, you just have to make the outlines. So I'm going to close this fill option and let it be open the line option over here. Here you will find the cap type option. Just change it to round, and join type should also be round. Okay guys, so now I will fill this outline, black outline actually, with the gradient line. Okay, and for the gradient line I will use two colors. So I'm going to delete these two extra handle over here and put left with only two handles over here. So for the left handle, what I'm going to use, I will use eyedropper, and for the left handle I will use this color. Okay, and for the right handle, what I'm going to use, I will use same color but something lighter color over here. So click on more color option over here, and here you will find the arrow which you can move it vertically downward and upward to make it lighter and darker. So I will use this much color over here. Okay guys, so now zoom out. Okay, let me increase the width of the outline. So I just want to make it more wider, more thick guys. So I'm going to increase the width, like I'm going to do it something 10. Okay, 10 is enough guys. So now for the fill, I'm going to use the same blue color. So I will click on format option. Here you will find the shape fill option. Just click on that and I will choose this color for the fill, as you can see here. Okay, sorry guys, we have to use the pink and orange color gradient for the top. So I will recorrect it. So click on that and choose a gradient option over here. For the right handle, we have to use pink color. So I'm going to use the eyedropper option and choose this color. So what I'm going to do, so now I will create this shape over here. Okay guys, so to do that, what I'm going to use, I will click on insert option. Here you will find the rounded rectangle option over here. Just click on that and drag a rectangle like this. Okay, just drag this yellow dot over here so that we can make the corner more sharp. Okay, and let the outline should be no outline. Okay guys, let's make it something more wider like this, and right click over here, you will find a edit point option. Just click on that and put this point over here. Put this point over here and again put this point over here guys. Okay, let me adjust these points so that it can give a pleasant look guys. Now it's fine guys, you can make it more better. So try it to yourself, and if you got any problem, then please try to connect me. Now it's fine guys. So let me change the background color first. So I'm going to use a gradient fill for this, and this is the color which I have automatically fetched by the previous slide guys. So for the left handle, I have used the lighter gray color, and for the right handle I'm using something dark gray color. So for this shape I'm using white color. So click on format option. Here you'll find a shape fill option. Just click on that and choose a white color for this shape. Okay, now we're done with this shape guys, and what the next shape we have to draw, we have to draw the label text over here on which we are going to write the basic, standard and premium. Here you can use the silver, gold and bronze option also. Okay guys, so to do that, what I'm going to do, again click on insert option over here. Here you will find this option. What is this? I don't know the name, but you have to select this option over here. Just drag it over here like this and make it more rounded like this, and for now I'm going to change the shape outline to no outline. Just click on rotate option and rotate it left 90 degree guys, sorry, right 90 degree, and again right 90 degree. Yeah, this much is better. So I'm going to make it more thinner, like I'm going to keep it like this much, and I'll put it over here. Okay, so make sure that this label should be in the middle of this white shape and this smaller hexagon. Okay, so this is the shape we have created successfully guys. So what I'm going to do, I will fill it with a different color, sorry, gradient color over here. So fill with the gradient color, and for the right handle we are going to use the pink color, and for the left handle what I'm going to use, I'm going to use the orange color over here guys. Okay, so that's all for this shape. Now the single thing we have to do, we have to click on insert option, just choose a triangle option over here and drag a triangle, make it no outline by clicking on this option, and rotate it vertically, flip it vertically guys, and flip it horizontally also, and put this shape over here. Now I'm going to slightly zoom in so that we can see the shape over here. Slightly make it smaller like this, and for this I'm going to use a dark I'm going to use this dark option over here. Okay guys, now we have to create this shape again. We have to duplicate this shape and put it over here. So what I'm going to use, I will select all these two shapes and create a group by pressing Ctrl G on keyboard, and by pressing Ctrl D I will duplicate it, and let me rotate it, means flip it vertically, sorry, horizontally. So I will flip it horizontally like this and put it over here. Just press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make the shape smaller like this, and put the shape over here like guys, you can see. But we have to make it more smaller, like I will ungroup it by pressing this option, and what I'm going to do, I will drag it something inward to make it smaller like this. Okay, now now I will group these two elements. So the basic shape is ready guys. So what I have to do now, we have to just put this pricing text over there. So I'm going to copy it, paste it over here. I will explain which type of text I'm using for this pricing text. Okay, so don't worry guys, I will tell you, I will explain each and everything guys, so there is no need to worry. Press Ctrl C and paste it over here like this. So this is the basic. Put this text over here and put the by text over here. Okay guys, now zoom out. Now the shape is ready guys. So what you have to do now, you just have to select all these text and press Ctrl G to make a group. Okay guys, so before moving further guys, let me explain which type of text I'm using in this. So for the pricing I'm using Calibri body and the size is 18. For the basic, what I'm using is square 720 bt, size is 24, and for this text I'm using what, Calibri body, Calibri light, okay, and Calibri body 40. So these are the text you can use it to make it more attractive and beautiful guys. So now what I'm going to do, I will slightly zoom in so that we can see the whole slide guys, and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy of this one, put it over here, again pressing Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy and put it over here. Now we have to change the shape fill and the color of these text. So blue and pink we are going to use over here. So let me show you guys. So for this, what I am going to use, for the left handle I will use this color, we'll do the same with this shape. We will don't do any changes with the pink color, but we alter the orange color over here. So at the place of orange we will put this blue color over here. Okay, so do the same with this option over here, this shape, actually this shape, guys. So at the place of blue we are at the place of orange we will use this blue color. Okay, now for the rightmost we will use this blue and this blue, the combination of blue. Okay guys, so click on the hexagon over here, and here inside the line option you will find the gradient stops. So we'll do changes for the left handle and right handle also. For the left handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color. For the right handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color. Now we'll do the same with this shape. For the left handle, what I'm going to use, I already the color in the recent color options, so I'm using this color. For the right handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color. Okay, so for pie option we'll also have to change the color. So for the left handle I'm going to use this color. Sorry, for the right handle. For the left handle I'm going to use this blue color over here. Okay guys, so now the only thing we have to do, we have to change the pricing over here. As you can see in the previous slide, the $79, $89 and the $99 are there for the different schemes. Like for the basic you have to pay 79, for the standard you have to pay 89, and for the premium package you have to pay 99 rupees. So guys, you have to change this text over here. So let me change it 89, and for this we have to change it 99, guys. So this is the project, this is the graphics you can use in different type of project, guys. So I think it's very useful, and it will be used by you in your different projects, guys. You can use in the pricing of a restaurant, you can use in pricing of library, you can use in the pricing of any web development courses or whatever you want, guys. So this is a simple effort by me, by the PowerPoint world, to explore these things to you guys. So if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel and press the like button on this video, guys. Please try to share these videos to the people so that they can also be benefited by this tutorial, guys. So that's all for today in this video. We'll see you in the next tutorial, guys. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.